Narciso Esquejado Jr., Mr. Homeland Philippines Delegate from Antipolo City Region. The reason why I joined Mr. and Miss Homeland Philippines 2015 is that I really want to improve my talent, to show who I am. I don't aim for experience, especially for the popularity, but I just want to become part of the Homeland Philippines. I can consider that the most memorable experience that ever happened to me is when I graduated in high school. Kasi yun yung alam ko sa sarili ko na nakatapos ako ng isa pang level na para ma-reach ko yung mga aims ko. Tsaka yung graduation day namin, first time ko na makasama yung tatay ko sa stage. First time ko rin nagkaroon ng happy moments sa kanya. Kasi ever since, hindi talaga kami nagkaroon ng happy moments. So, hindi man niya naparamdam sa akin, I know na he was really proud for me na naging personal mention ako sa klase natin. So, na-consider ko yun na happiest moments na buhay ko kasi kasama ko yung tatay ko na umabot sa akin. Again, City of Antipolo, this is Narciso Esquejado Jr. asking for your help to support me in this coming pageant of Mr. and Miss Homeland Philippines.